Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a day in my life. As I wake up, I like to do a big stretch. I do not get on social media right away. Once it's time for me to get up, I go straight to the bathroom and wash my face. I am using Clean and Clear. This really helps when I have breakouts. The bands that you see on my wrist, I'm one of those people that splash water everywhere. So I like to wear these bands because it stops that from happening. I will link them down below. I did get them from Amazon. I do wear retainers and a night guard at night, so a night guard on the top of my teeth and my retainers at the bottom. Before I brush my teeth, I do like to rinse my mouth out with mouthwash, and the mouthwash that I use does not have alcohol. I don't know what it is about this toothpaste, but the Ultra Brite is one of my favorites, and I do time myself as I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth for probably 2 to 3 minutes. Last, I go back in with my mouthwash. Now that my teeth are all clean, I take off my armbands. Like I said, they work like magic. I'm going in with a moisturizer, and I use this day and night. Under my eyes, I do use a product called Rock. This stuff is amazing. I use my ring finger to blend it into my skin, and whatever I have left over, I do put on my hands. I do work out every Saturday. I actually have myself on a schedule. So my husband and I, we both work out Monday, Tuesday. We take a break on Wednesday, and then we work out Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then take another break on Sunday. If you know me, you already know I never wear matching socks. I do have a waist trainer that I use when I work out, and this is amazing because it helps me sweat. I'm typically one of those people that don't sweat a lot, so using this band helps me. Off to go see my kiddos. I always run downstairs and say, good morning, good morning, good morning. I love you, good morning. And they don't care. Alf and Arlo are chilling right now, and all they want me to do is literally clean out their cage. Although I love my kiddos, I do try to focus on myself in the mornings. I don't clean their cage until after I'm done doing some type of meditation or exercising. I've been drinking green tea and I love it. This green tea does have caffeine in it. And of course, with any of my teas, I have to have honey. That was a little happy dance because my tea is almost ready. So once my tea is ready, I'm going downstairs to focus on me. Remember, I'm a working mom out here. So before I start my workout, I do listen to morning jazz, and I write down everything I want to do that day and kind of just how I'm feeling. I do journal pretty much every day after work. I have to get my thoughts out of my head and onto paper. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to find a workout video. Now, I do watch Pamela Reeve. She has the best workout videos. Now, my shoes are from Adidas. I've never worn these shoes out of my house yet, which is crazy. I use these just as workout shoes or to kind of just clean around my house. They're very comfortable. They remind me of the Yeezys. Now that I have my video that I wanted to watch, I'm doing the glute workout. Don't be fooled. Trust me, I am tired. And right now I'm just changing positions because we are doing our squats. Once my workout is complete, I just do a little bit of stretches. And trust me, I'm tired, but I'm happy that I woke up and did this. And then I sit down and I go to all of my social medias at this point. And once I'm done, I go back upstairs because now it's all about the kids. First things first, I have to clean their cage. So I have to remove everything out of their house and wash it. Now, I do have a ton of fleece blankets for them, so I always have backup. But of course, this is Arlo. He's running into his house while I'm not there because they have to check to make sure I did everything properly. They're always checking my work. Once again, I'm just doing the same thing to Alf's house. And as I mentioned, they do have to watch me do this. As you can see, he's coming up slowly, but he just wants to check to make sure everything is beautiful and how he left it. They're so funny to me. Once Alf's house is clean, look at his little legs. He be knocked out. And Arlo, this is why I love them. This is the fun part. I have to clean all of their fresh veggies, and I do this on Saturdays because I try to meal prep for them so I don't have to go to the grocery store 3 times a week. I probably go to the grocery store now 2 times a week. But that's better because now I have 15 Tupperwares that I can add their food to as I meal prep. They usually eat parsley, carrots, peppers, green, yellow, red. Right here I have my salad spinner, but I use this to get rid of all of the water that is on the veggies. I got this from Target and I really love it. I really take the time to make sure that their food is very clean. I chop up the parsley and I'm gonna add it to every bowl, and I do have bowls everywhere, you just can't see them all. I have some romaine lettuce on top as well as some green leaf lettuce. I do not give them carrots every day because that can be a buildup of calcium. All the Tupperware is finally done. I'm going to place this in the fridge to stay cool. Once I have the kids all fed, now I move on to feeding myself. The only thing that I do before I feed the kids is exercise and kind of get my mind together. But once I'm done, it's about 1 o'clock, I eat some oatmeal. This is peach oatmeal, by the way, and I love it. Once my food is ready, I have to do a happy dance. I love oatmeal. I can eat oatmeal every single day. It's so good. Every Saturday, Saskia from Los Angeles Rescue, she has videos talking about guinea pigs, and I am a faithful watcher every single day. So as I do my hair, I am watching the Los Angeles Rescue for Guinea Pigs. But I do have clip-ins in right now. I've mastered curling synthetic hair and I just love it. And I don't have my curling iron past 380 degrees. And you can see I have the round brush, which is gonna curl the synthetic hair, which is great. You already know what look I'm going for today. I'm a middle part type of gal. I've just been like this for a while. I love this hairstyle. I feel like it suits my face very well. And I've literally just been bumping my hair. Like, I haven't had big curls. I just bump the hair and call it a day. And lately, I just don't want my hair to look perfect. I just like that simple, easy look. I do get questions about the piercings that I have in my ears. Those are helix piercings, and I wanted to get 3, but they said I didn't have enough space in my ears, but the 2 are still cute. Next weekend, I'm going to braid my hair and then put my clip-in extensions on top of those braids, which is going to be a protective style for me. The only process that I'm very particular about is how I do the front of my hair when I wear a middle part. Yes, I care about the back because I don't want my clip-ins to show, but at the same time, it comes down to the front of my hair and how that looks. I do like to add some accessories into my hair. And I never wear these glasses. I usually only wear them on my head. Let's move on to my shoes. They are Coach. They're brown and white. They go perfect with my sweater. I love them. They're very comfortable to wear, especially when I'm running errands. I'm grabbing my Ariana Grande perfume. I forgot the name of this, but I'll link it down below. Stepping into Ross. I've been obsessed with purses, so that's what I'm looking at right now. And also I do try to buy some skincare products if I scan them first to make sure that they're not expired. But you guys know how I feel about Ross. I'm at Ross just as much as I'm at Target. Woohoo! We are making some tacos. So I do have some ground beef. This is 93.7. This is my cast iron skillet that I'm putting the ground beef in. I love cast iron skillets. They cook your food in such a way, I cannot explain it. Your food is very tasteful, flavorful. I don't know. I just really like cast iron skillets. And as my ground beef is cooking, I'm going to step away and grab my jalapenos. I do clean them, and then I am going to cut them because I like my tacos extra spicy. I will cut up 2 jalapenos because this meal lasts us for 2 days. And you can get the jalapenos in a jar. I just like to have my jalapenos fresh when I make tacos. Next, I'm grabbing some green leaf lettuce that I've already washed. I'm going to cut this up. But I did wash some limes. I do spray these on top of my tacos. It just adds extra flavor. It's so good. Now I do have to make room on this plate because I did buy some pre-cut cilantro as well as onions. Going back to check my meat, I'm just going to use my spatula and I'm using it to make the meat very tiny. I want the meat to be chopped up very tiny. And I can use a wooden spoon for this as well. And the meat has been cooked, so I'm going to put it in a strainer pan. I don't like to lose all of the oil, but I get rid of some of it. Adding the meat back to the pan, I'm gonna take my Ortega taco seasoning. We're gonna add this to the meat, and then we're gonna add some water. Then I'm gonna take my spicy taco seasoning. This is some onion powder. I do have to measure it out because sometimes I go overboard. Garlic powder. And some Himalayan salt. We're gonna stir this all up. I do have my wooden spoon now. We're also making nacho cheese. This is one thing my husband has always had me add. I think he thought of this, and it makes your tacos, oh, so good. I do have my old El Paso taco shells. These are the nacho taco shells. I do put these in the oven for 3 minutes to cook. Look at that meat. It is just seasoned. Now I'm showing you my plate because I dress up my tacos a little different. But I'm just adding the ground beef first to all 3 tacos. And yes, I do eat all 3. Next, I have my Ortega hot sauce, and I put this on my meat. This is the nacho cheese. Sour cream, of course. I mean, how can you not? I don't know how you guys don't like sour cream. It's so yummy. Adding some jalapenos and some of the cilantro with the white onions. Just grabbing a little bit of Mexican cheese. Putting my limes on the side. And then adding my green leaf lettuce. Oh my goodness, look at those tacos. They're so good with some peach soda. Oh, I'm gonna take the first bite, adding my lime. Thank you so much for watching a day in my life. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.